Want to make your garden more personal and unique? Imagine a space that mirrors your style, creativity, and personality. Today, we'll be introducing you to the wonderful world of DIY garden decor projects. Stay tuned as we delve into some exciting DIY garden decor projects. Did you know that you can transform your garden with items you might already have at home? DIY garden decor projects not only reuse and recycle, they also inject a personal touch of creativity and uniqueness. Now let's dive into some of these projects. Ever thought about turning your old bottles into planters? It's a simple yet creative way to reuse and upcycle. All you need is a bit of soil, some seeds, and your old bottles. Voila! You've got unique, personalized planters. With bottle planters, you can add a personal touch to your garden. Painted rocks can add a pop of color to your garden. Start by picking smooth rocks, then clean and dry them. Use acrylic paints to create your designs. Anything from ladybugs to intricate mandalas. Once dry, place them strategically around your garden. Painted rocks can truly make your garden stand out. Transforming your garden has never been so easy and fun. With bottle planters and painted rocks, you can create a unique, personalized space. These DIY projects not only beautify your garden, but also promote sustainability. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY garden decor projects. Happy gardening!